Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This word with Marty is garden. I think I take after my dad. I don't know if it's environmental or genetic or both. My father, even 6 weeks before he died at 86, he was planting tomatoes for the next season. And I like planting tomatoes. They are, I think, the most rewarding plant. They grow in just a couple of months into these lots of delicious tomatoes, better than you can get in the store. And like my dad used to get in the car and drive around and give them away to friends. And I put them out on my street and give them away to neighbors. Particularly love the variety Orange Peruche, P-A-R-U-C-H-E from Japan. Cherry tomato, orange in color, delicious. Probably you won't ever see it in a store because I don't think it ships well. And it's orange, so it's not as commercial as a red variety. I like small-scale gardening. I do, I get my physical exercise by digging deep holes for my roses, but what I want to share with you is I think that you get as much pleasure out of the small-scale gardening, whether it's be to just have a house plant, like a peace plant in your house, or outdoors. I do love my orange tree. I live in California, and I get these delicious oranges, plain old standard variety, Washington Navel orange, 4 seasons. In the spring, amazing orange blossom fragrance. In the summer and fall, it's all evergreen. In the winter, it's covered with oranges. It's very, very fun to see the growth. And once the tree is established, it takes no work at all. A little more work, but it doesn't matter. I guess I like the flowers of geranium, the most common thing, but it's the new varieties of geranium are not orange. They're deep red or purple and gorgeous, and you can get them cheap at Home Depot and make cuttings and make more of your own. Very rewarding. Can grow in a window box, just something sunny. And I guess that's all I really want to say. It's a lovely little activity. You see the miracle of growth. You get a little exercise. It's not expensive. Some respite from the contentious world. They always tell somebody, I don't remember, some famous friend, maybe Voltaire or something, go, there's a time to go and play in your garden. It's a nice thing to do, even if you're in the middle of your active adult life. Anyway, that word with Marty is garden. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts have broader impact. Oh, another variety I like, a plant I like, is zinnia. Its special variety, it's called Preciosa Red. Just gorgeous scarlet and a 1-foot-tall outdoor plant. Sun, wonderful. And also plain old marigold, bonanza yellow or gold are great. Okay, enough of that. And I certainly would welcome you checking out any of my 32 books. They're all on Amazon. Most relevant to this is probably How to Do Life, but all 32 are on Amazon. Just go there, search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I'm Marty Nemko.